Hi guys, I'm back. Lunch is over, like I said in my other video earlier. I've come back after lunch. I actually didn't eat lunch because I was waiting for my friend to pick me up earlier. She chatted me also. She also chatted me saying we're gonna play. I took out this. Where is she? Completely, she's not like, she doesn't like me, and sometimes she blocks me, and sometimes we like fight. But we come back to, but yeah, but she's just my fake best friend. I don't want her to hear this. Where is she? I'll be so mad. There she is. She's here. Just look at her at the background. 1, 2. She's right there. She's right there. I'm making a video right now.
What is that?
I'm making a video.
There.
Guys.
Put.
She's gonna help me, guys.
Hi guys.
I'm going to upload this to YouTube.
Yeah.
You don't wanna show your face? You don't wanna show your face? Monkey.
That's monkey? No, I don't want. I'm shy, bro.
You shy?
Yeah. Can you put it?
Black, all black.
All black? Shut the egg and drawing.
Hey, black mandaya, besh.
Teruha ba batang?
I'm grade 2, she's grade 1.
Yeah, I'm grade 1. Ano ko sa May? May or March? March, mag-grade 2. So, grade 3 ka ron, di ba? Kung mag-graduation ka, di ba? Grade 3 ka?
Oo, mag-grade 3 din ko. O, si Mana mo mag-grade 6?
No,
Mag-grade
grade 5. Di na to, butang niya, ano? Di ko kalabot. Oh, wait.
Oh my god, I'm showing your face good. Ay, it's okay lang. I will
Labot
show.
mo, labot mo.
Mwah.
What that?
I didn't kiss her, y'all. Don't make me like hash, bro.
Kasi, who is your first time kiss?
My first kiss?
Yeah.
Zayn.
Zion.
I kiss him on the cheek.
Cheeks?
He's a boy.
Oh my god.
Me and my best friend kissed him. I didn't even know why.
Oh my god.
Girl, duro balhas na.
Balas na?
Oo, duro balhas ni Zayn.
Paano mo na-kiss?
Because nag-shoot order kami.
Ha? Tapos ikaw naka-ano? Tapos,
Me and my best friend.
tapos, ano yat? Sino nagambay ka ninyo ma-kiss?
No, I'm not gonna say it, guys.
The bully?
Be quiet. We're on YouTube right now.
Galang tao tayo sa YouTube ba? Kanimo? Why? Hindi mo makita.
Hamba na may YouTube channel tana.
Kasi, that's lying.
Of course.
Because that's bully.
Wait. Guys, let me show you what we're working on. We're going to make this full black because I'm making a galaxy and she's helping me. Show your face.
No! You're saying.
People are not even gonna watch this.
Huh?
Public na yan.
Public? Sure.
Public meaning.
1 second.
1 second.
Yeah.
Cover face lang. Ay, kita on.
Hey.
When we like make a video,
Huh?
when we make a video on TikTok, she shows her face. Wow.
Kasi, anong ngalan mo sa ano?
Leah, 2018.
Ria 2018?
I'm gonna change my name.
Why?
I don't know.
Public na? Public?
Yeah. You can literally search it. I think. I'm not even doing anything. I'm just making monkey.
Monkey?
Nagpapututan kami sa watay.
Nasaan
Emo kami
ang
ni
gabi?
Hawag kang kape.
Yan, hindi pag buol na yun, i-mix, ano mo nanay? Ano mo na kita? Raptahon. Chupuan mo kaya kinaraptahon.
She's a clean girl.
Ha?
Clean girl. Ikaw. We're making a mess in my palette, girl.
Kita magaduwa nga, ano? Iba, kita malang duwa
Ay,
di.
bu.
Say sorry, God, my mouth is bad.
This is public, y'all. This is our channel, guys. I open blind bags and I open a lot of things.
Oh my God.
You have to do it on me. Hey!
Mine is no more. Yay, what?
Big head, bro.
Oh my God.
Big head. Big forehead.
Yeah.
She's helping me.
No, may classmate ko nga crush na pa. Kuya, yun mo. Hoy, mama.
We're gonna finish this later, guys.
Yeah. Big o. God.
That was not in the script, y'all. That was not in the script. I planned this, so yeah. If you see this, Sky, if you see this, I will literally kiss you in the mouth.
Yes, ipalanta ko yung manang.
Oh my god! Look at there. Sky, if you're watching this right now, I'm gonna be like Cash and kiss the brain rot like you.
My goodness.
I'll show you the video later. I'm making a video, but I don't know how to.
Oh my
You
God.
didn't hear that, right?
Sis,
You didn't hear that, right?
may mo nabatian?
You didn't hear that, right? Ay, buang.
Oh my God. Done? Is it there? Okay. Pambuhon naman gani ko. Oh my God. That's
Who
okay.
did that? Who did that?
Sky.
Who did that?
Sky!
Mr. Krusty Rock.
I'm gonna buy sticker rolls. And I'm gonna my makeup too. Very lying.
My makeup cost
Na hindi hambal di tatay. Hambal di tatay. Hindi na ako mo-birthday ko na. Dito sa SM. Pangan.
Boracay.
SM.
Ano
SM
to?
Pangan.
Mahal to sa Boracay?
Ayaw ko sa Boracay.
Ano? Ay sa Boracay. Ay, rayo. Maitom takada.
Sa antike.
Ay, una it's antike.
Mabit tayo ito kasi sa antike. Makanong ko ano daan pabilin daan ko to pay. Tulad lakad uli. So, ang lang doon
So,
takandi.
mo teka. Hindi ka mo. Hindi lang ka tayo kataan.
Hindi. Isa.
Magpanti ka ba? Day, sayang ka lang kakanta dyan, Day.
Yung tuwa mo.
Yun lang plastic parang ba?
Ano nandiyan mo? Tuya ka nga side, ako nga side.
Ako daya nga side, lapit na lang matapos, tapos may daya kapagin, tapos may daya.
My goodness.
Sino naghambal?
Hmm?
Girl, this is taking so long to, paint.
Yeah. Tad kamay lang daram. Amo nga, pito ginpili mo, gid mo.
Wait, ako pala ng pili ka daya.
Ikaw to nagpili.
Kaano?
Katong drawing, yung painting mo eh.
Anong to yung itsura ka ganyan tatahat?
Alam niyo mo eh.
Dang itsura na ka to yung ganyan tanaton. Rainbow to yung may color lang na color nga purple, white, iban. Color ka pink, black, blue, white.
Yeah, white is daw ipatak-patak natin yung white pa.
Green looks gray. Looks gray.
Yeah, looks gray.
I don't know if y'all can see this, but our painting looks gray. So
Look!
Girl, our black is done.
Yeah.
Our black is no more. Should we resta anay? Resta anay? Okay, guys, we're going to party first. We're going to climb until we break our necks. You want to show your face?
Yeah.
Okay, like this. Yali look. Yali Bali look. She covered her face, but we can still see it. 6 years old and I'm 7. Almost 8 actually.
Wait.
June 1.
June 1?
Who owned? Y'all, bye y'all. I'm going to upload this to
YouTube channel.
YouTube
Channel.
in my YouTube channel, and we're gonna finish this
Later.
3 days.
3 days.
Who owned? 3 days. Because I'm actually gonna finish this in Saturday.
Saan Saturday? May klase Y.
Why Saturday? We're gonna do this at Saturday because we have school at Monday.
Monday?
Tomorrow. So bye y'all.
Bye. Look at my hands.
Girl, do it back here. Look at her hand.
Kasi.
Mine is a little bit dirty, but it's just fog.
It's little bit. Little bit.
Bye, coffee beans.
Bye, coffee beans.